So what is up sa inyo mga katasko? It's your boy back at again to another video. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mga stock ng cab and chassis namin na affordable at fit sa negosyo mo. This is Isuzu 4GB1 10-feet cab and chassis. For as low as 550,000, meron ka ng 4-wheeler na single tire na pwedeng gawing drop side, close van o stake body. At meron din tayong 4HK1 na cab and chassis, 16 feet, 2 piraso, 20 feet, 5 piraso, open for reservation. At ongoing pa rin ang promo namin na 0 down payment up to 5 years. So that is for today's video. Salamat sa panonood. Please like, comment, subscribe sa aming social media accounts. At huwag niyong kakalimutan, task ko lang malakas.